Well, this paper is high-end paper. It's like 32-pound paper. That's part of why it looks so pretty too. But I think it looks, and here's this. And that's why to me too, like when we do the whole house here, what difference, I mean, they're gonna have access to 2 of them. Why do we need to do another one, you know?
Okay, so you didn't print those out?
No.
Okay.
Now, we'll have to print one for the studio, you know?
Right, I have one done for it.
Oh, good.
It just didn't name it.
No one else is gonna have anything this beautiful. So you're not gonna help with any of these?
Literally, I have a million things that
Like
I also
what?
have to
Then
do.
you should have said no!
Well, these didn't come up until literally just before I left. I was on the phone and have to do these.
Yeah, every single one of these laid out the same, Connor.
Really?
Yep.
Then maybe they were printed incorrectly. Because I specifically remember.
God, I hope not. I didn't even check. But so far, they've all laid out identical.
Just like go over the grocery, make sure it's the correct grocery stores.
Logan's, Trader Joe's, Safeway, Sprouts.
And then go over the food and the drink.
Wash Perk, Bardo Coffee, Canopy Bars. Yeah, no question there. I mean, these are all for down here. This is industrial.
Weird.
Denver Biscuit, Waffle Brothers, yeah.
So we spent 2 weeks creating new guidebooks. So here are the new guidebooks. I'll show you them right now. There's Carla. So here's our new guidebooks. And isn't that nice? House manual. House rules. And then everything you need to know. Welcome letter. Here's the basics. Eats. 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 Drinks. Drinks. Grocery. Gym. Transportation. Visits. Just tourist attractions. And then a contact us on the back.
I don't see expansive.
I'm Connor Ashley.
And I'm Carla Chass.
We're the mother-son real estate and design duo.
We are here to help you invest in properties.
Now you can make a lot of money doing this.
We're your people.